Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new DJI Osmo Nano. It's small, it's powerful, and I can't wait to see how its tiny camera performs. Let's jump right in. Before we continue, I just want to give a huge thanks to PunCube for the awesome Mech wallet, to LensGo for sending me the brand new Smoke Go fog machine, super cool for creative shots, and of course to K&F Concept for always keeping my setup steady with their tripod. Appreciate the support, you guys, amazing. This is the standard combo, 64GB version. On the front, you can already see the camera design. Wow, it's so lightweight. The build feels solid but very pocket friendly. Perfect for vloggers, travelers, and action shots. Let's power it up and see what the interface looks like. the stabilization looks really smooth for such a tiny camera. Colors are sharp, and the wide field of view is perfect for vlogging. I'm impressed already. So, that's the unboxing and first test of the DJI Osmo Nano. First impressions, super fun, super easy, and honestly, this might be one of the best mini cameras for everyday creators. I'll be testing it more, so make sure you subscribe for the full review.